Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes before a marketing email lands in your inbox? It might look simple, just hit send, but the reality is a fascinating journey filled with strategy, creativity, and technology. Every great marketing email begins with a purpose. Why are you writing it? Maybe it's to build awareness, drive sales, or nurture a relationship. That purpose shapes everything: the subject line, the content, and the call to action. A strong subject line grabs attention, clear, concise content delivers value, and a direct CTA guides the reader to the next step. But drafting the email is just the beginning. Next comes testing. Marketers preview their emails across devices, especially mobile, to make sure every word and image looks right. They also check against spam filters, ensuring the email won't be blocked for having too many links, excessive caps, or messy formatting. Then comes timing and audience selection. A successful email doesn't go to everyone, it goes to the right people at the right time. Segmenting audiences by age, location, or behavior ensures relevance. Choosing the right moment, whether early morning, midday, or evening, can dramatically improve open rates. Once everything is ready, the email service provider steps in. The ESP is the engine that handles delivery. It manages lists, ensures compliance with rules, and optimizes sending. At this stage, your email starts its digital journey, traveling through servers and spam filters. Authentication tools like SPF and DKIM help prove it's a trusted message. Only then does it reach the subscriber's inbox. Landing in the inbox is an achievement, but the journey isn't over. Once opened, the real test begins. Will the subject line lead to engagement? Will the content hold attention? Will the CTA drive action? Tracking tools capture these answers. Metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions reveal how well the email performed. If the open rate is high but clicks are low, maybe the subject line worked but the content fell short. Each campaign provides insights for the next. Finally, analytics close the loop. Marketers study the data, learn what worked, and refine strategies. Every email becomes part of a continuous cycle of improvement. So the next time you see a marketing email in your inbox, remember the journey it took from drafting, testing, and scheduling to navigating spam filters and reaching you. It's a process of strategy and care. Every detail matters, every step counts. And if you're a marketer, here's the lesson: make your email's journey worth it. Craft clear subject lines, keep your design mobile friendly, personalize your content, test, analyze, and keep improving. Because when done right, every email isn't just a message, it's a connection, a relationship, and a step towards success.